What actions can be performed using workflows? Following workflow actions can be performed in a workflow. 1. Email alert. Email alerts are workflow and approval actions that are generated using an email template by a workflow rule or approval process and sent to designated recipients, either Salesforce users or others. Workflow alerts can be sent to any user or contact, as long as they have a valid email address. 2. Field update. Field updates are workflow and approval actions that specify the field you want updated and the new value for it. Depending on the type of field, you can choose to apply a specific value, make the value blank, or calculate a value based on a formula you create. 3. Task. Assigns a task to a user you specify. You can specify the subject, status, priority, and due date of the task. Tasks are workflow and approval actions that are triggered by workflow rules or approval processes. 4. Outbound message. An outbound message is a workflow, approval, or milestone action that sends the information you specify to an endpoint you designate, such as an external service. An outbound message sends the data in the specified fields in the form of a SOAP message to the endpoint.